XWF Replacement for GE XWF Refrigerator Water Filter Pack of 1. The XWF Replacement for GE XWF Refrigerator Water Filter is a great way to keep your refrigerator running smoothly and your water tasting fresh. This filter removes sediment, chlorine, and other impurities from your water, leaving you with clean, refreshing water that tastes great. It's also easy to install and maintain, making it a great choice for busy families. Here are some of the benefits of using the XWF Replacement for GE XWF Refrigerator Water Filter. * Improves water taste. * The XWF filter removes impurities that can make your water taste bad, leaving you with clean, refreshing water.